In this video, I will demonstrate the new copy trial function. From the club dashboard, as a trial secretary, when you go to add a new event, you'll see this new option at the top that says copy from previous trial. When we click that button, we will get a list of every trial the club has run in the last 2 years. So you can pick the one that you want to copy. In this instance, we'll take the agility jumping doubleheader from November. Click use as template, and that will bring you back to the wizard, but have all the details filled in. The only thing we've done is blanked out the dates, basically forcing you to make sure you set future dates. So if we just do that quickly, you can see all the other details are filled in. We'll save and continue. All your trials are there with all your classes. I've also added the ability to let you reorder classes from this screen, and you can also add other classes that are of the same discipline as that trial. So we can go and add the open classes into here. Let's just say we want to run them first. I've also added the option to remove any class that doesn't have any entries, so you can chop and change within a trial rather than having to delete it and start again. So we'll flick through these other screens, but they were all copied from the previous trial. The only thing we're missing here is the judges for opens, as we only just added them in. So we skip to the confirmation page, check everything, and just confirm as normal, and your trial is open and set for the new date. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.